Hi my beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show all about keratin treatment. So let's get started.
Shall we begin? Are you suffering from a lot of curly hair and more detangling hair? Here you can see the best solution to get your hair straightened at home without going to salon straightener. So first thing, here I am using keratin hair treatment. I just washed my hair with the keratin shampoo and now I can feel that my hair is 20% smooth and smells so good. Now for that I am going to divide my hair into 4 parts. I am having a very long hair to manage it well. So yeah, after dividing your hair into 4 parts, start working with the first part. Here I am using second step of keratin treatment is conditioning your hair. By using comb, I am going to spread the condition even to my comb and blend everything to my hair. Here I am applying only to my edge of hair, not for the scalp hair. So this is the way you have to condition your hair with keratin treatment. Spread even condition to the 4 parts of your hair. The condition smells so good. I am loving it. After conditioning your hair by using blow hair dryer, set the temperature into cool temperature and a medium flame and dry the complete hair. Remember that you should not use hot or warm dryer. Only you should place flame in cool temperature. Now I can feel my hair 50% soft and volume. I am love it. After blowing hair, you have to straighten hair with the temperature of 350 degrees to 400 degrees. Here I am straightening my hair and guys, you can believe it that I can feel my hair so soft and straightened and thick hair. After straightening your hair, you have to wash your hair with a lukewarm water and make sure you should not use any hot water. It can damage your hair. After washing hair, I am going to work with third step of keratin treatment, that is mask. To apply the mask, you can prefer hand gloves, but here I am not using that. Just pour quantity of mask and apply well to the hair edges by avoiding roots and make sure to apply the mask near the splitted areas because it's most important. After applying mask, just tie up your hair and leave it for 15 minutes. And then wash your hair with a lukewarm water. I just washed my hair and here I am just dry it with a cotton towel up to 80% of hair. It should be dry with towel and then blow hair now with warm temperature and that's it. You can feel that your hair is so soft, thick, volume, straightened, strong hair. Oh my god, I am loving the keratin treatment to my hair. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in my comment box.
3 steps you have to follow in the keratin treatment. After following these 3 steps, your hair looks so soft. Oh my god, this is really amazing. Yeah, now I can feel my hair, it is like so much volume, so much boost, and when I touch my hair with my hand, I can feel so softy. Oh my god, this is really relaxed hair which I am having. You can look at here how smooth it is and how straightened it is. I really like straight hair, so yeah, this is the best one. I can prefer to get my straight hair with a natural therapy without using any iron tools and etc blah blah blah. So yeah, this is the best product, and I definitely prefer to my hair this keratin treatment every month once. So yeah, and this is very important. You can use this keratin treatment in winter, because winter is the worst thing. We used to get like frizzy hair, damaged hair, dull hair, and splitted hair, and everything. So this is the best one you can use in the winter time, most importantly. Yeah, I hope you liked it, and if you wanna buy this product, I'm going to link in my description box. You guys can check it out from there. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit on like button and share your comments below. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. See you soon on my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.